Hi, I'm Danny from Balluff. I'm the Industry Manager for the UK for Machine and Plant Engineering. Balluff are a market leader in the world of sensors, IO-Link, RFID and vision systems, and within our stand today we're going to be demonstrating the benefits and advantages of using IO-Link over a standard traditional wiring method. So what Balluff can do is we can help you monitorise your machines in comparison to standard wiring methods. We can also demonstrate how we can save your machines on downtime, wiring time and fault finding for future on-site machines as well. With remote diagnostics and single channel diagnostics, this can save money for your company in the long term, as well as having an open network which will work with a multiple range of different communication protocols.